James Kaufman World News Report today, February 13th, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. USS Harry S. Truman collides with large cargo ship off Egyptian coast. USS Harry S. Truman collided with a Panamanian-flagged cargo ship, the Besiktas M, off the coast of Egypt. The U.S. Navy's Sixth Fleet reported that the collision did not result in flooding or injuries aboard the Truman, and the ship's propulsion plant remains in a safe and stable condition. Remember, that's a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. The Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, the USS Harry S. Truman CVN-75, was involved in a collision with the merchant vessel Besiktas M at approximately 11:46 p.m. local time, February 12th, while operating in the vicinity of Port Said, Egypt, in the Mediterranean Sea, U.S. Navy Sixth Fleet announced. The collision did not endanger the Harry S. Truman CVN-75, as there are no reports of flooding or injuries. The propulsion plants are unaffected and in a safe and stable condition. The incident is under investigation. More information will be released as it becomes available. The Besiktas M, a bulk cargo carrier sailing under the flag of Panama, sustained damage above the waterline, but continued under its own power. Quote, the other ship sustained damage above the waterline, but continued on its own power, a U.S. naval official told TWZ, the war zone. The Truman was preparing to transit south into the Suez Canal. No damage to the nuclear power plant has been reported. USS Harry S. Truman CVN-75 is a Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier for the United States Navy, named after the 33rd President Harry S. Truman, commissioned in 1998. It is homeported in Norfolk, Virginia, and can accommodate approximately 90 aircraft and a crew of about 5,000 personnel. The Besiktas M is a Panama-flagged bulk carrier measuring about 618 feet in length, seen here. The USS Harry S. Truman typically operates as the flagship of a carrier strike group, which includes various supporting vessels and aircraft. Truman's carrier strike group was often composed of guided missile cruisers, guided missile destroyers, and carrier air wings. Tweeted out, the Nimitz-class aircraft carrier USS Harry S. Truman CVN-75 collided with the bulk carrier Besiktas M off the coast of Egypt yesterday. The Pentagon reported that the collision did not endanger the Harry S. Truman. God bless you and yours, folks. More information will be available, and I'll get it to you as it is. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.